everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. How you all doing? Looks like the market is still on us, bro. The market is going green. It's green, 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 guys. I think the market is giving us a Thanksgiving feast. But let me know what you think. Bitcoin suddenly went to 90K. I mean, we saw it here first, but yeah. And that's what I'm going to talk about right now. I'm just going to talk about Bitcoin. I'm going to talk what are we expecting from the market? What are we expecting? What are we to do right now? Is the market still going to drop lower, and all of that? And from my video, I did also talk about XRP, but I'm not going to talk much about XRP. But I'm just saying, remember on the last video I was telling you, don't buy into any cryptocurrency because of any event. Don't go into any cryptocurrency because of you heard something. Right? Do not do that. Don't do that. That is wrong. And you should only, unless you have the right conviction, that's when you should consider buying into XRP. Now, looking since when I made that video last week, we did not, nothing happened to XRP, nothing. And a lot of you all would have bought it and all of that, right? And yeah, you guys would be heartbroken that you were expecting or within the week or two. Look, crypto, or if they tell you, oh, the event is gonna help XRP, no, 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 no. All right, crypto is going to do its thing. Am I correct? Crypto is going to do its thing. It's just going to take time. Cryptocurrency XRP is going to do its thing, but it's just going to take time. You can't say, oh, because of one major event or because of one event, that's not even a major event. It's because of how we framed it, how we publicized the news, and that's why we considered it a major event for XRP. If it was a major event, XRP would probably be blowing out, right? But anyway, that's some people, we lose what we love, we win, we lose, right? And also, this candle you're looking at here, it's not because of any event, it's just because of the crypto market is green again. The market is green, and that's why we're having that. Anyway, moving on to Bitcoin, because that's what I want to talk about. You can see I already have a trade going on. I did say I was going to buy around that 85K level. I've been analyzing shit. I'm gonna clear my chart a little bit, so I'm gonna remove all of those things. I probably much had them back on later on, but yeah. So moving on, let's just start with the weekly time frame, right? We have on the weekly, you can see. Okay, so first and first, where did I tell you guys I was gonna enter? I was going to buy in around the 80 levels, around 80. There's 88, 89. I was saying 85, right? 85. I got stopped out. All right. So yeah, I did get stopped at 85. I entered 85. I had a stop loss around here. I did get stopped out, and then I was going to enter at 83K. I was also anticipating. Look at this weekly. We have. I don't want to call this a gap, but we had this run over here. But there was no main reason why we should spike down. But I will tell you why we had this kind of spike. All right, that's what I want to explain here before I give you all the full analysis on what we should and what we should expect from Bitcoin. Now I'm going into the daily time frame. Now you can see the spike. Now the market, I entered at where 85. You can see 85K, around 85,500. The market was supposed to retrace around 85, but but the whales, I will use the word the whales, or the big players in the markets, know for some reason that people probably would have anticipated it. The algorithm, whatever you call it, these big key players know a lot of people would have anticipated buying Bitcoin at 85. A lot of people would have anticipated buying Bitcoin at at 83, right? And what would they put their stops? They'll put their stop lower, probably 81 or around that length. Or let's just say you're in 85, they're gonna put your stops probably around 83. If you're entering here, your stop was definitely here with mine. Am I correct? Now with that, they will take everybody out and they start buying back into the markets. And as you can see, and that's what happened. But I know 85 was a good turning zone, and that's why I still bought in at 85,500. If you're on my Telegram channel, you would have seen the analysis and all of that. You'll be seeing we're all winning. Okay, we are tired of winning. All right, so moving on to the 4 hour time frame. So what are we expecting? Like, why do you think? Why should I expect Bitcoin to go up? Okay, before I go into that, I'll just go back to the daily, and I'll take my Fibonacci out. Right, I don't really like to use Fibonacci's, but let me use my Fibonacci. Let's say starting from this angle. All right, let's make the retracement to the upside, down, back up. All right, now you can see where we are, starting from where Bitcoin drops for 126k, around that level, right? Right now we have Bitcoin at 80k. I mean, it touched it clean sweep, and Bitcoin is retracing. Where is the next level? We can see it has gotten to the 25% level of this entire movement. Okay, of the entire movement from here down to here, right? So it has only gone up 25%. Am I correct? Now 50% is 103, or let's just say 100, 200, 102, 100, and that, right? 50% is 103. This is on the daily, right? This is on the daily. So I'm aiming higher, and the sweet ass 75 to 79% is 114. And why is this zone good? I'll tell you why. Now we didn't just have like two. I wouldn't just want to say we didn't have this like a two top, right? I didn't want to call it that, but we had these two equal highs right here. That's good as liquidity resting above here. So even if I don't know what is gonna happen, I am ready to hold on to 50% level and into 75% level, 75 to 79% level. Once I get those markers on, then I will have to look at where Bitcoin is going next. Okay, but I'll get to this. So yeah, so those are the levels that I am targeting. Then let me go to the 4-hour time frame or the 1 hour. So right now, if you are bought in, so I bought in around you can see we had this green. I bought in around 85,500. I put a stop. All right, I put a limit order on it. So overnight kind of triggered, and I'm in. And then we have this 4-hour leg up. Now we are kind of ranging here, right? Because I mean, we also have like resistance. Let's just call this resistance right now. We also have resistance resting above here and all of that. So if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, I just want to show you guys this. Now you can see we are really consolidating. We are really consolidating right here. And there is, I would say this, that there is a big chance, I'm gonna say a big chance that we are going to push higher. Now if this market decides to drop below, I think the highest it can go is 89k, or around 89, 200, 89, 500, around these levels here. I don't really like to use a specific price. I love to use levels, because by the time you use levels, you probably more understand the direction that the market is making. Then if I want to start using exact price range like how I did here, I move down to the 15-minute time frame. I pick out a zone or a level from that time frame, and I just put in the numbers that that align with the level, right? So I'm just gonna use levels here. So once it comes down to this level here, 89, 88, around this level, then only then will I see, oh okay, it's not gonna go down. It's probably just a little minor retracement, because from here to here, all right, if we put up a Fibonacci, right, let's just put up a Fibonacci from let's say from here. All right, let's just put Fibonacci from. I don't really like to use Fibonacci, but because of this, I'm going to use Fibonacci. So from here to here, you can see it's just ranging between the 0 and 25% level. So there's a big chance that it might not go lower. It will push higher. So we still have another leg up, right? We still have another leg up. So if you've not gotten in, you can still get in. You can just put like a little order, probably around below this, but I'll have like an order around here. If it goes down below, I'm gonna buy it again. All right, because I know right now we are aiming up. And hold up, let me just go back to the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, that's it. That's that for Bitcoin, right? So what's the market doing? The market has taken people out and is buying back. The whales are buying back. And yes, I do have my take profits at 101. Why I do have my take profit at 101? Okay, let me use this swing. I will use the swing from this level to this level. The reason why I'm using the Fibonacci is so you can understand the levels that I'm pointing out as to why it takes certain decisions, right? Okay, put this one over here and put this one over here. So now you can see. Now you can see why I have my take profit at 101, because if we look at 1 hour time frame, now we're going lower, right? You can see from that swing over here, down to the swing over here, you can see it has gone on 1 hour, it has gone to pass the 25% level. The next level is the 50% level, that's the equilibrium level, and which it is likely to hit that level. It is likely to touch 94k at this point. It is likely to touch it. So the next level is the 75% level, and around 75 to 95% level, that is the next place that I'm open to take profit on the short run. But if it does goes below the 75% level and I see another level, or I see there's something I have to see or analyze, that I believe, okay, there's no need for me to take profit, I can just take my partials and just hold on to the sweet 120k. Okay, so it's all in analysis. Okay, it's all in strategy. All right, just like when I told you all we were going to go from 100 from 99 to 106. You can see that. Did it work? And what happened next? We didn't get 106. We tanked. We tanked where? We tanked down. We tanked down, boys. Don't mess with the power of the levels, bro. Don't mess with that. But anyway, so yeah, if you this analysis is just for Bitcoin. All right, this is just for Bitcoin, just to tell you guys what I'm doing and how I am playing the market. I am watching. I might not be trading every day, but I am watching. And if you have not joined my community, do well to join. The link is in the description below. And again, if you have any analysis you want me to analyze, I said any analysis, sorry boys. If you have any currency pair you want me to analyze, just drop it in the comments, and I will try to be making these videos on YouTube as well. On TikTok. I want to be dropping my videos on TikTok, so that's why I'll be making my videos short, a little bit short. So if you have any currency pair you want me to analyze, just drop them in the comment section below, and I'll make a video analyzing that currency pair. My name is Blackman, and join the All Traders community. We deal on everything: stocks, cryptocurrency, forex trading, and as well, know that I give investment advice. No, you have to also do your own research. But right now I'm on mutual funds, and I've been spilling out saving mutual funds. I can make another video if you all want me to make another video on mutual funds, so you can compound your capital. You have like 100k you want to lock in, you have like 1 million you want to lock in, you can just do that and just lock your money somewhere, get some dividend, and still get a good yield on your capital. I'll put it that way. All right guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.